Everyone wants this life. But this is my reality. Yeah, it's me. And I'm still broke. And just like you, I too want to become rich. But instead, just because of I have done losses in trading, I have to work a job that will never make me rich. When I'm riding bike, I always feel like I'm driving Ferrari. The truth is, I had my chance.
See this goes in losses. Holy fucking shit, we did it. Wait the feed. We did it. Fuck, we passed the challenge. We passed the 6-figure challenge. Oh my god. What the guys? Like I'm oh fuck, I can't able to. I'm in my saloon. Brother, I got the notification of take profit. What the fuck is this? Like serious. Holy fucking shit, 1,004 and fucking real. Oh fucking shit.
But I broke my trading plan and lost money. That's why I had to go to this job to pay the bills. So now I sit here at this office desk, not thinking about the job. I am thinking about trading. After 9 hours of work, I come home and I'm super tired. But instead of resting like all the people do, I started doing trading study and started working on my goals.
Stop that trading study. Go to sleep. Enough now.
Oh wait, my study is not over.
You understand? Close that. Now.
So now what? I close the laptop, I wait for dad to get sleep, and I turn on the laptop again. I started doing trading study. Maybe nobody believed this will work. But one day, this all will be worth it. To every trader watching this, don't give up. You are so close than you ever think. Every loss is just in a higher low. The next higher high is coming. And I'll see you there. Peace.
It's literally my first time. This is my first time. I have just finished off shooting this short film for you guys, and seriously, it took a lot. I mean, a lot of like efforts. A whole entire week has been gone, and now my mom is going to come in half an hour. I really need to edit it within half an hour and upload it. I don't think so I can do it within half an hour, a quality, but I just wanted to tell you, man, seriously, it literally takes time. Please give a like. It will literally motivate me. And yeah, I'm going to start creating such kind of motivational videos just for you guys, because I want to really show my real life, which most of the trader don't. They just show the flashy fucking life. Signing off. Peace.